This is the Work Interactive Calculator, which solves for work, force, displacement, angle, power, and efficiency in mechanical systems. The calculator has a calculation mode dropdown with 6 options: calculate work, calculate force, calculate displacement, calculate angle, calculate power from work, and calculate efficiency. For this demonstration, I'm selecting Calculate Work. The input fields are force F, where you enter force, displacement D, where you enter displacement, and angle theta, where you enter angle, which defaults to 0 degrees. Additional fields include work W, time T, input work Win, and output work WOUT, which are used for the other calculation modes. Let's walk through calculating work. When you enter a force of 50 newtons, a displacement of 10 meters, and an angle of 30 degrees between the force and displacement vectors, then click Calculate, the calculator displays your results. The work output shows the calculated work value in joules. The results section provides the primary result along with any relevant power result in watts if time was entered, and efficiency result as a percentage if input and output work values were provided for efficiency calculations. This tool streamlines work energy calculations for engineering applications. Find the link in the description below.